Alright guys, 2022 Nissan Sentra windshield wipers. Long one's on the driver's side, short one it's on the passenger side. Let's pop these boxes open. Here's your H26, H17. It's probably a 17 inch and a 26 inch. These in the description below. Just click the link. You got a little tab back here. You're gonna push that down right there. When you push that down, you can pull it down as well. I like going at an angle like this and give it a little push. I have to use both hands because I gotta hold this and push this at the same time. Oh, there it goes. Haha. Oh yeah, you don't want to do that angle like that on this one, this type. But to get that one out, and then you got your brand new one. There'll be a little curved end, a little roundish end right there. You're gonna shove that right up in it until it clicks, just like so. Make sure you pull this white shield off or you will fuck your windshield up. All right, other side's gonna be the same exact way. We're gonna push in that little button on the bottom right here and pull it at the same time. Right on off. Then we're gonna grab the new windshield wiper blade, curved side right there. Just get it right up in until it clicks. Pull that shield off. I'll put these windshield wipers in the description below. Just click the link. It's helped out in any way, shape, or form. Click that subscribe button. Peace.